sandstone. This is the legacy. This is the legacy. I love it. I love you, OnePlus. Bang. You've got OnePlus 7T. Says this is OnePlus 7T is the culmination of all our design and engineering effort and crafted for those like us always strive for the very best. Here we have got OnePlus 7T and we're going to do the unboxing. We're going to talk about all the specification. We're going to look at some of the picture sample. We're going to look at how fast is the fingerprint scanner and face unlock. We are going to talk about how it looks. Keep watching! This video is being recorded on Note 10 Plus. And if you've got, this is something that I've got as a gift because I was in top 100 for buying it from the pop-up event in Pune. So here's the beast that we have been waiting for. So let's not wait any further. Let's unbox it quickly. And it feels really nice in the hand, the box. And this time you got to pull this one. And once you pull this, it comes out. So you can just, that's pretty good. But yeah, ultimately what you need to do is this, which we have been doing conventionally, to make sure that we get the right unboxing experience. But this is also good if you want to really tear it off and don't care about taking care of this plastic. That tap is really good. So that's the first experience you have. That's a practical experience. And guys, what I'm wearing right now is the OnePlus hoodie, which I've got free of cost with this. And this one I got because I was in top 100 people. I also got OnePlus water. I also got sneakers, which I don't eat, prior to now. So here is the box. Let's unbox this one. And what is the first thing? This is sort of documentation, looks like. Yes, this is, oh my goodness. Sticker, never settle. Never settle. Yeah. And this is also OnePlus 7, never settle. And this is, okay, there's something. Alright, let's keep it aside. And here is the beast. Wow. This looks really nice in person. And to look at, let's look at it. Yes. Oh wow. It's very satisfying experience to unbox this one. This is really nice blue color. I mean, I really like the one on the 7 Pro, but this one looks prettier. And this has got the best of both worlds. I mean, you had two models, OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro. This probably has got best of both worlds with a new design and a pretty good display. So we'll talk about it a little later. Let's look at box. What else comes in the box? There's a TPU case and how it looks. Let's put this inside. Alright, yeah, good. I think this is a much better quality that I see. This is not that flimsy one. It has got some raised corners, which will probably save any accidental damage, at least to some extent, not 100%. Then you have this OnePlus cardboard where you have this very useful tool. Then this one, Type-C cable, red color, dash charger, not dash, WAP. Now this is WAP charger 30T, which is a little better than what we got with the 7 Pro, and of course with the 7 we got 20 watt WAP charger, dash charger rather, and this one is WAP 30. So this one is much better. It's 23% faster, 30 minutes, 70%, which gives you the full day. So that's all you get in the box. Let's keep everything aside and look at the phone. I'm really excited, man. This is really, I mean, I don't get too excited about unboxing the phone because now I do it like every week, every other week, or maybe every month at least. But this one is something really exciting. So let's keep it aside. And I've got another thing which I'll show you in a minute. This one is the case, and this one is the case with the legacy of OnePlus, that sandstone one. Yes, you get it right. So let's keep it aside. Okay. All right. This one goes here and got two bags. This T-shirt. I'm feeling too lucky. Let's boot it up. Oh. Let's boot it up. Okay. This is booting, and this got, see, this new Android logo with this peaking Android. So yeah, this looks cool. And the most satisfying experience is this slider. I mean, you keep it in the pocket and still you can change the change from silent to sound to vibrate, and you know what else. So here we've got this one, says hi there, and it says United. Oh, it has got a lot of native national language. I mean, a lot of regional languages.
So, yeah, I mean, it's got a lot of other languages as well, but we're going to select the English India for now to move forward, and it says, configuration, you have to agree, yes, I am in, for the experience system, stability program, I am in for OnePlus, no, connect to the mobile network. So let me set this one up quickly, and then we will talk about it more. Now,
let's look at the face unlock. Oh my goodness, it just unlocks without, I mean, just look at my profile and whether it unlocks or not. It does. I mean, from my side profile, that's not safe, man. See, now I'm looking here and I look at it and it gets unlocked. It's really fast, guys. Fingerprint, tap, and it's open. Fingerprint, tap, and it's open. So very fast. Okay, so let's talk about the specification now. I've got the version with 8 gig and 256 gig version. It comes over 40,000 rupees. There's another version with 128 gig of internal storage. If you are good with that, I think most of the people would be. You can say 2,000 rupees. This has also got triple camera setup over here, if you see, and it's got something like, if I remember, Motorola phones used to have this kind of structure earlier, so maybe inspired from them. But this is this look really looks nice. We have been bored with the vertical and horizontal and sideways vertical and in the middle vertical, whatever. There had been too many combination tried. This looks really nice. Gives like a watch dial kind of stuff. I feel sometimes looking at it. So yeah, it has got that. On the left side, you get these volume up and down button. There's a microphone on the top. Nothing else. There's a slider, which is great, and I really like this functionality. Probably I saw this one first time on Apple iPad, and I was a big fan of it. And then on this it came. I'm really happy. Now there's a power button over here. On the bottom there's a speaker grill. There's a speaker grill here as well. It has got dual speaker. There's a primary microphone over here, and that's all, guys. I mean, it doesn't have what we always needed, right? The 3.5mm jack. I'm sorry, guys. Now we are not gonna get it back. It's not coming anywhere. I mean, we can just dream about that it will come, but it won't on most of the flagship. If Samsung has did it, I don't think so anybody is gonna carry it. Yeah, Rogue phone is having that, but that's a that's a gaming phone. I mean, it's not the normal flagship with the camera and all. So yeah, there are a few manufacturers that's gonna carry with it, but even this K20 Pro also has got the phone. But this is 190 gram, but this feels really light. I mean, this one is also almost 190 or maybe 200 grams. This feels really heavy. I mean, this weight distribution is very good, and this not. I mean, again, I started doing the math. It's not Poco 2, but it's K20 Pro is what I'm comparing with. And this is a bit sleeker also. It feels really good. It is much longer, but not too much wider. So with a single, hand, I can almost reach to the edge. And with this gestures, you don't have to actually go to top all the time. So from here only I can pull this and notification, and yeah, that's pretty cool. So what else we have got? In terms of the performance, it has got Snapdragon 855 Plus, which has an Antutu score of almost 4 lakhs, around 4 lakhs, 390 to 4 lakhs, which is really great. I mean, anything above maybe 2.5 lakhs is great. I mean, that's going to make you play PUBG in high setting with a very good graphics. It has got Adreno 640, so on gaming you're gonna have really great performance. There's no question about that. It has got battery of 3800 mAh, and that's gonna be really good for full day uses, especially when it has got the WAP charger, WAP 30T charger, which is giving you 30 minutes 70% charge. So you don't have to worry about, and you don't have to actually charge this overnight. I mean, in the morning before you go to shower, you just plug it in, and once you come back, it will have 70% of charge. So that's going to be good enough for the whole day. And if you really want, you're on travel or something, you want to have it 100%, maybe around an hour, and you'll have 100%, which will give you a whole day, and then you've got the charger with you. Nothing to worry, you got covered. So that's all. In terms of camera, as we talked about, there are triple camera setup. There is one with the 48 megapixel camera, Sony IMX 586 flagship, the same which one was there on the Oneplus 7. Then it has got the 2x zoom camera, 12 megapixel. What additional it has got, and probably borrowed it from OnePlus 7 Pro, is the wide angle camera for 117 degree field of view. I have just before, in between the unboxing and just setting it up, I just took a couple of pictures, and I do see the color shift between different lenses. Since the photos are being captured by different lenses, the color shift happens. So that's something software issue that they need to fix. But I mean, you don't have to worry. You're not gonna take 3 pictures together and keep them in the same frame. So it's okay. And then that's all about the camera. It has got a flash. And what with software they have actually done some optimization, that is the macro. This macro mode, and bang. So I've got this one sneaker, allow, and this gives a pretty much good detail of this sneaker that I've taken. So yeah, I mean, very cool. Just raise, and yeah, this is very good. Very cool. Just raise, and yeah, this is very good. And the face unlock is too fast, and it did actually try to map a lot of points on my face while it was scanning. So I suppose there is some mechanism to have a better face recognition rather than, I mean, of course it's not gonna be like Apple's Face ID and Huawei Face ID in Mate 20 Pro, but this is not bad. This is not gonna be the simple one just to 2D face. So yeah, it's good. So in terms of this, it is good. Let's look at what comes inside. So this is first phone basically to come with the Android 10, and you can see that here's the specification: 855 plus, 8 GB RAM, 256 GB ROM, 48, 16 plus 2, 12 megapixel camera, Oxygen OS on top of 10.0.1, which is good. Model number is whatever, status, legal information, and award. And this has got those gestures, as you can see. To go back, just do this. And say, for example, you want to go to home, you just do this. And if you want to see all open app, then like this you have to do. So it's pretty simple, very intuitive. Selfie camera is ordinary. Not great, not too bad, okay. The same camera which was there in 5T, 60, 6, 7, 70, and I don't know if that's gonna be with 8 also. They got to improve it. You got to change it. They got to get better facing camera. Okay, alright. Now I got another thing. Let's look at this one, and it has got, let's cut it. Ooh. You cut, and another cut, and they just pull this one like this, and you've got, oh wow, I like it, this sandstone. This is the legacy. This is the legacy. I love it. I love you, Oneplus. Let's put it on the phone and see how it looks. I'm sure it's gonna look amazing. Alright, this looks very solid, man. This looks solid, gives a very good texture and grip. Hello. So that's all I wanted to cover today in this video. If you have any question about OnePlus 7T, post it in the comment. You can send me on my Twitter account, himansupathak, on my Instagram, LuckyTechGuru, or himansupathak. You can also tweet on Twitter handle LuckyTechGuru1. That's all I want to cover in OnePlus 7T. I'm really thankful to OnePlus 7T for giving me the freebies, and they should be thankful that I was one of the first 100 people to stand in the queue and get this one. Thank you very much, guys. Signing off, Himanshu, your favorite Lucky also.